Can we clear the air that me and Manon are friends? People don't think that we're friends.
Well, they're right.
Oh.
Not want to be on the live, or do you just want
No,
to
I'm
talk
here.
in the
I just wanted to
background?
talk to my friends.
Okay, spill it on me.
What friends?
Yeah, not you. Not you, you little...
People don't think that me and Manon are friends, and gladly so.
I don't want to be associated with someone like you, by the way.
Yeah, me neither.
It's enough being in a group with you.
Yeah, hold it back. Hold it back.
Alright.
We actually hate each other.
Yeah, we
so
do.
all the speculations are true. We actually got in a fight earlier yesterday, right?
You made me cry yesterday.
Yeah, I did, and she actually punched me in the nose. Hurt really bad.
I'm not sorry.
But she punched me in the nose a long time ago, and like,
Manon keeps stealing my
You know-
outfits.
yeah, she keeps doing that. And you know when you guys call me hook nose, like that's kind of why. That's kind of why.
Sorry,
'Cause
did
she
I-
punched
Did I come in
you.
here to get bullied?
Yeah, you
No.
did. You did.
Respect your
I'm
elders.
exposing your bullying to me, like that's why.
Right.
I feel like that's a great idea.
Oh my god, that was one of the worst. No.